Okay, so in this step, we're going to convert the WIM, the WIM file, into an ESD file. So you can skip this step. You can use your WIM file in your installation. It doesn't matter, but I'm going to convert it to ESD because it's got better compression. So you will have a smaller file. It's more efficient. So you need a command for this, and you need to open the ADK. Let's go to the ADK folder. So Windows Kits, you have to open Deployment and Imaging Tools. Just run this as admin. So you have to open this tool to run that command. So the command, I'm just gonna copy it here. I'm not gonna type all that now. Paste it in here. So let's just go through the command quickly. It says dism export image. So export image is the function that's gonna convert this whole thing. Source image, this is basically your WIM file. So this is the path, and there's the install.wim. I just copied it to the desktop. And then source index, that number there will actually specify which Windows you want. You want Windows Home or Pro. Now you can actually check which number to type in running this command. So in my case, mine is a bit stripped down. I think I've done something to the image before, but there's the index, so there will be more indexes and more detail. So I'll show you quickly a file how it should look, and you can just choose which one you want to install to convert to. Alright, where's my... Okay, so you can run that command to see which version or which index. And then obviously the destination image file, where you want to convert it to. So I just call it install.esd. So from install.wim to install.esd. And then compress recovery. This compresses it quite nicely. So let's run this command, see if it runs. Yeah, it actually goes. So this will take a while, and then I'll show you when it's done.